everyone, this is a SGS air compressor 50 liter which has got 9.5 CFM cubic feet per minute air pressure and is 2.5 HP horsepower. I just bought it from SGS online. It cost about £200. So this is a setup how to open and install everything on the SGS. This is the first time I'm making a video, so stay with me. This is a big one. Look at it. You're making it. It's got all the accessories that itself. So how we gonna ship this? These are the booklet. Can you open the booklet? Wait. This is the hose, air connection hose. This is the book. So hello everyone. Yes, quick update. I have installed both the wheels on the SGS air compressor, and the instructions which comes with the air compressor itself are useless. There's no proper instructions on in the booklet to tell you what to do. I've managed to install the wheels myself, and I have managed to install the bump. It's just a bump, rubber bushings down at the bottom, and then now there is a filter which needs to be attached, I assume on this side of the air compressor, just to filter the air. So once you install this filter, I think the next step is, yeah, it's tight enough now. Next step is to put this drain valve for the oil thing. This is the compressor motor itself. So the next step is to take this thing out, and now let's continue with the video. I need to take this valve out, breather thing out, and then I assume it's got no oil. I'm not sure, the instruction doesn't say anything, but I don't know if it needs oiling. Then I don't know which oil to put in. I need to see the instructions again. I assume the accessories will be okay inside. This is a air compressor toolkit what they sent us. These are 5 tools. It comes with a air gun. This is a air paint gun. I think it's like 60 ml tank, small bottle with it. This is the tire pressure inflator. It's another accessory where you can put it on the air compressor and use it to inflate your tires. This is the pipe itself, a hose pipe which connects with the one of these hoses. This got 2 connections actually. You can use both at a time. And this is like a oil accessory to give oil and other liquid to your whichever you want to give it to. And this thing is called the air pressure air gun.
As you can see, when the compressor starts, it takes roughly 3 minutes to compress the air inside the tank, and the maximum air it can compress is 10 bar, which is 150 psi. Once you start using the compressor and gauge goes down to 7 bar, which is 100 psi, the compressor will start and then cut off itself when it reaches to 10 bar again. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel.